good time to get in D-Street chatter. Nimesh joins us now. Nimesh, there has been a good recovery from the lows. What's your sense? What's exactly happening in the dealing rooms?
Well, Mangalam, it looks like it's a bit of a surprise that we've seen a sharp recovery in the last 15-20 minutes of trade. Why I'm saying surprise because the pressure in the last few days is largely dragged by the FI selling, and even today the sense is that there is selling pressure from larger FIs, especially in the broader market. So that's been a big underperforming space, and that continues to see a lot of pressure, and there is a lot of pain as well as far as the broader markets are concerned. Today, for specifically, the PSU banks are under pressure because there was enough clarity that there is going to be no hike in the FDI limit, and that's the reason we have seen a bit of profit booking there after some bit of rally in that space. So that stands out in today's market. But I guess, while Nifty has seen a bit of a recovery, I guess the bigger story is the pain in the broader market, and that seems to be still not ending or not abating. So that's a real pain point. If you ask any dealer or a trader or an investor, the cribbing point is that while Nifty is at all-time high, close to all-time high, their portfolios are down 15, 20, 30, 40%. Take
that point. And what about the interesting stocks that you have today? Any more large trades likely?
Well, that is likely, but the first stock on my list today is Kiri Industries. After a long time, some traction on that stock. It's up 6% in a weak market. And for the last few days, there is a bit of accumulation as well happening at HNI desk. And for Kiri Industries, the big trigger to watch would be as and when they get the money from the Dystar stake sale. The legal formalities are over, only the inflows has to come. So that's something to track as far as Kiri is concerned. The second, a couple of Adani Group stocks. Again, it stands out because after a long time, though small, but there is delivery-based buying in Adani Green as well as in Adani Power today. More so in Adani Power, but for Adani Green, also the fact that there is a large block anticipated in the next few days. So that's something to track there. The third name is Semi India Projects, which is erstwhile ITD cementation. For the last 2 days, the stock is under pressure, but overall, if you look at this year, the stock is relatively outperformed the broader market names. And the big buzz for this particular company is that they're likely to bag a very large order very soon. So that's something to track in Semi-India Projects. And the last is Aeroflix Industries. Again, a small stock. There is a bit of institutional holding as well, but I understand the company is likely to raise further money via QIP very soon. It's a small amount they are going to raise, but nevertheless, fundraising is on the corner for Aeroflix Industries.
Okay, all right.